Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the Wysa app on your Android device. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Play Store, which is on your phone. Then what you need to do is go to the search bar, which is here on the bottom right hand side, and then search for Wysa app. So you can see if you search for Wysa, it will appear on your screen. So you can see the Wysa Anxiety Therapy chatbot is available over here. Just go ahead and click on install, which is over here. To know about this app, go ahead and click on about here, and you can see Wysa is your good emotional health buddy and well-being tracker. It fits right in your pocket and provides emotional support with mood tracking, finding optimism, reframing thoughts, which is CBT, in easy to understand and friendly chats. Wysa, your happiness buddy, is that friendly and caring chatbot. Wysa is packed with daily spiritual meditation that improves mental health and is also a perfect way to bond over family meditation. Wysa suggests meditation and mindfulness audios made easy based on your chats, so you feel better and relaxed. Wysa builds you your own personalized toolkit with tools for better coping with depression, anxiety, sleep issues, and grief. You can go ahead and install Wysa now, and it will help with your anxiety, and you can get some therapy with the chatbot built within it as well. So guys, this is how you can download the Wysa app on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.